In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Davinci Resolve Media Offline. If you've ever opened a project and been greeted by that red Media Offline screen, don't worry. This just means Resolve can't find the original files. Maybe they were moved to a different folder, put on a new drive, or the drive letter changed. I'll walk you through getting everything reconnected quickly and safely. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop and open the project that's showing the issue. You can open it from the project manager or from your recent projects list. Once you're in, head to the media pool. You'll find it on the edit page and the media page, typically in the top left area. Look for any clips that show the red Media Offline thumbnail or appear as missing. Select every offline clip you want to fix. You can click and drag to marquee select, use Shift to select a range, or use Ctrl or Command to select individual clips. With those clips highlighted, right-click on the selection, go to Clip Operations, and choose Relink Selected Clips. This is the fastest way to reconnect media when the file names haven't changed. A system browser will open. Navigate to the new folder, or drive where your footage now lives. If you reorganized your media, it often helps to point Resolve to the top-level folder that contains all the relevant subfolders. Then click Open or Select Folder. Resolve will scan that location, match files by their original names and paths where possible, and reconnect them automatically. Give it a moment. Larger folders may take a bit longer. When it's done, the red Media Offline banners should disappear, and the thumbnails will repopulate. If nothing relinks, or only some clips do, there's a good chance the files were renamed. The relink tool looks for exact file names, so any change will break that link. In that case, keep your clip selected, right-click again, go back to Clip Operations, and choose Replace Selected Clip. This lets you manually point a specific clip to its new, renamed file. Navigate to the exact file on your drive and select it. Resolve will swap in the media while preserving your edits, in and out points, color grades, and effects tied to that clip. Repeat this for any renamed items until everything is restored. Once your media is back online, play through your timeline to confirm audio and video are in sync and grades look correct. Save your project. For future projects, try to avoid renaming files after import and keep media in a consistent folder structure. If you do need to move footage, moving entire folders together makes relinking much smoother.